Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a purple cut crease look. For foundation, I'm using the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte Foundation to blend that into my skin. For concealer, I'm using the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. And I'm just going to put that on my under eyes, along the sides of my nose, on my chin, and then on any little blush. For contour, I'm using the Wet n Wild Contour Makeup Stick in the shade Call Me Maybe. And I'm just putting that on the sides of my face, my cheekbones, and then on my jawbone. To set everything down, I'm going in with the Coty Airspun Loose Translucent Face Powder. And I'm just going to apply that to my under eyes. I'm doing a little bit of baking. It's not like I'm not going in with like a crazy amount of powder, but I do really want to set down those under eyes. And then while I'm waiting for all that to sink in, I'm going to just use the excess powder on my sponge and just blend it into the rest of my face. Alright, while that sinks in, I'm going to do my brows. I'm using the Milani Stay Put Brow Color, and I'm using the shade Medium Brown. Alright, now that my eyebrows are done, I'm going to dust off my bake with just a small little fluffy brush. I'm just going to bring that onto my eyelid too as kind of a primer for my eyeshadow. Now I'm going to go into my Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and I'm just going to blend that into my cheekbones with a fluffy brush. Now for blush, I'm going in with the Milani Powder Blush in the shade Romantic Rose. I'm just going to smile and dab that onto my cheekbones, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. Add a rosy look to the face. Alright, now we're done with the face. I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. So I'm using the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I'm going to start with the shade Buon Fresco. And I'm just going to put that in my crease. Next, I'm going into the Makeup Revolution Ultra eyeshadow palette, and I'm using this kind of matte purple shade right here. I'm going to focus that on the outer corner and the inner part of my crease. Next, I'm going into this really dark purple, and it does have a little bit of shimmer in it, but I'm going to focus it right on the inside, so it's not going to be like sparkles in the crease kind of thing. Now I'm going back into the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm going to use that to cut the crease. Before that concealer dries, I'm going to go in with this lightest cream shade in the Ultra palette and just set that down. Now I'm going to be using the NYX Vivid Bright eyeliner, and this is in the shade Vivid Blossom. So I'm just creating a nice purple wing to almost connect, but not quite connect to where that cut crease ends off. Now I'm going to put on some eyelashes. I'm using the Ardell lashes, style 105, and I'll be right back. Alright, lashes are on. Sparkly purple shade. A little bit of that on my outer corner of my under eyes. And then I'm going to put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. For highlighter, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Nicole Guerrero Glow Kit, and I'm going to use the shade Forever Light. And finally, for lipstick, I'm using the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Pretty. And for our final step, I'm going to set all of this down with the ColourPop Amber Crystal Setting Spray. Alright, and this is the finished makeup look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!